Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku, and I've already solved one puzzle this afternoon, the 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the JigSaw Sudoku and this 4-star Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper of Tuesday, April the 25th, 2024. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But right now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. Well, 2. I've already done 1. Okay. News of today. Well, I've told you. 300 bodies found in a mass grave at Gaza hospital. Yeah, Gaza. It's about the war in Israel. A filthy war. Yes, it's a filthy war. And a lot of students, young people are protesting in the States. Good job. Yeah. Because there's genocide. Yes, there is really a genocide. Poor people are suffering there in Gaza. No food. A lot of children died. Anyway, enough about the war. This will be number 8410. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. And again, this one has 26 printed digits. Should be a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. Which number can I pick? 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this column. Should be there. Then 2 numbers left. Those numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I hate to split those numbers outside a big square. 8, okay. Alright. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for is Schubert. 5 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there in the first row. Here or there, we see another 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next on last column. Now only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9. Okay, 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. Then 4, 4. Okay. 2, 5. Need 5 in, 5 there. Yeah. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Need a 5 there, okay. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. Well, we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 5. Here can be 5, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. There's the only place left for 5 in the last row, should be there. Alright, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, alright. Okay, now, then, let me see. 6. Come on. 5, you know, 1 here. Well, in the first row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. Only place left for 1 should be there. 1, okay. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 should be here. 8 should be there. 7 and 2. Yeah, well, difficult. How about 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3. Yeah. Need a 1 there. 1. How about yeah. I need an 8 here. 8. Need a 9 there. Come on. 1. Need a 1 there. Let me put some numbers. 8. 8. 8. Need an 8 here. 8. I need an 8 here. Oh, yeah, here I need an 8. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 in this box. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, there are only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 in that row, no 8 there. The only place left for 8 should be there. Then, let me see. 8. Need 8. Here, need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next on that column, there are only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then, let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for 4. Could be here, could be there. 3. Let me think. 2, 7. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the first row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Alright. So these 3 boxes should be the 2, 7, and the 3. Need a 3 here. Yeah, I need a 3 here. Okay. 3. Come on. 1, 8. No 2 there. 6. One in this row, one in one in the last row, one in the row above. So that row, only 3 places left. The one should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9. So 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Then let's see. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 2, 7, and the 3, 3, 3. 2, 7, 2, 7. 7. Come on, the 7. I need the 7. I need the 7 here. Must be a hidden number. Must be a hidden number here. 1, 1. Here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Need 8. Well, we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 6, could be here, could be there. No 6 here, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, need a 4, 5, need a 6 here. Come on, this is taking too long. 4, 5, 8, 3, 2, 7. Need a 8, need a 7, need a 6 here. 6. 6. Come on. No 4 here. No 4 here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. We have 4 in that column, no 4 there. Here can be 4. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright, then we have a pair here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so they'll come next. The only 2 places left for the 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair. So if eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And if eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, okay. Then 4 and a 6. So here 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7. Okay. 4 and a 6. 4. Okay. 1, need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2. Need a 1, 2, 6, and a 9. No, we have a 9. 1, 2, 6, and a 3. Yeah. I think this box should be a 6 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, should be 6, can be 7, can be 8, can be 9. Yes, hidden number 6. Wow, we have the hidden number 6. Alright. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the middle. Well, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Then, well, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. On there, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, and last column, only 2 places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. One box left in this middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 and 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1 and 2. 3 is missing. And then, let me see. Do we have all the 6s? No. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second, no 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. No. 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7, and look, 3, 7 in this column, so no 3, 7 in this box. 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so this box should be this box in this big square should be a 2. 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Cannot fill. Oh, we have a 3 in this big square, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 7 goes there. 7. Yeah. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column. Set column for number. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. Wow. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing here. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this big square. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and an 8. Let me mark those. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8. Well, here we have a 2 and a 7. We have a 7 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Okay, 9 and 1, we have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 3, cannot fill this yet. Yeah, 2 numbers, no, 2 and 5, nope. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. We have a 3 in this row. No, we have a 3. And the 3 and the 7, we have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. And the final number in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. Finish in 18 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Definitely a 2-star puzzle. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.